They say digitalization is a way forward for India, but it still remains a distant dream because of the connectivity and pricing issues. There's a startup in Bangalore which is trying to bridge the gap between them, and to know more about how to get free Wi-Fi, stay tuned till the end of the video, and without any further ado, let's get into it. Yes, you heard it right. Free internet in gigabit speed. Imagine what and all we can do. Well, they say that they are going to launch first in Bangalore and then in other cities. If you're not from Bangalore, you can go down in the link in the description box below and you can register just for free. The cool thing about this is this router is 1 Gbps, which means it gives speed up to 1 gigabits per second, and this has unlimited FUP, fair usage policy. If you don't know what that is, there's a link down in the description box below which will explain it to you. And there are many other YouTube videos in YouTube which will explain it to you what is fair usage policy. And the installation and the router itself are free, and the one more cool part is there's a built-in VPN in it. That's the cool thing. Now nobody cares about the routers. We just want to know how we get the free Wi-Fi right now, right? So how do we access the free Wi-Fi here? So basically, to access the free Wi-Fi, you'll either have to watch an ad or you either have to solve a puzzle. Basically, as you can see on your screen, it's basically like a CAPTCHA, and then you have to enter your mobile number and then your OTP, and then you'll get the free access for the internet. If you want more access, you need to watch more videos, solve more puzzles. But if you don't want to do any of that and you just want to skip all of them, you can just buy the internet for just 1 GB at 1 rupees, and it goes all the way up to 1000 GB for 1200 rupees. And the price calculator is in their website, and again the link is down in the description box below. And again, this video is not sponsored by them, so you can go and check out the price in the description box below. Now the technology what they're using here is very unique and very modernistic. I wouldn't say modernistic, but this technology has been around but hasn't been used properly or used anywhere else. So traditional ISPs use fiber cables to transfer the data via light. So the thing is, they have to dig the roads, they have to deploy the cable. It's just very expensive and tedious process. Instead, what Wi-Fi Dabba company has done is they have put up towers in high-raised buildings. So they broadcast the signal and they use free optic space. So if you don't know what free optic space is, it's a really cool concept. The link is down in the description box below, and I'll leave another link by a NASA optical specialist or whatever you call him. The link is down in the description box below if you want to know more about free space optics. So what this free space optics does is they use lasers, which allows them to get 100 Gbps of data transfer over the distance of 20 kilometers. And that is just very amazing. Just imagine 100 Gbps of speed of data transfer over 20 kilometers. That's like really good. And the company has been very innovative around. They have installed small Wi-Fi boxes around these chai walas and other shops, which attracts all these auto walas and students and other people for the internet, and thus also increases the business of the chai wala peoples. And they have also partnered up with Google in providing Wi-Fi in Hubli markets, and that has turned out to be successful as well. Well, with all the startups like Wi-Fi Dabba and companies like Jio, the journey towards digitalization of India will not remain a distant dream. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure if you like the video to hit the like button, and if you like my content to subscribe for more and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post the video first. And leave a part or questions in the comment box below. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. I am Prateek signing out. Stay hungry, well, in terms of knowledge. And I'll see you in the next video.